Well, as bad as Netflix has been doing, a couple of casino stocks have been doing very well. The dice are rolling in their favor, and that would be Wynn and Las Vegas Sands.
Yes, Wynn came out with great numbers. We've talked about it as being the chosen one. It was a new high, so obviously the market knew this. It's opening at new highs. Do not chase this one. I would take some profits, but it'll probably go higher this year. I think LVS has an entry around 45, 46. This one can play catch up.
All right, JPM, we mentioned this earlier when we were talking about the financials. Company keeps coming out with good earnings. That just doesn't matter right now.
I just think if you have to be in a bank, be in JPM, I wouldn't rush there. I wouldn't get big there. But if you need some bank exposure, JPM is one of those to go to.
All right, and we talked about LULU. You know, LULU is not caught up in this whole cotton drama, cotton prices, because a lot of their materials are synthetic, and so they've been able to avoid that.
Well, LULU ran into the stock split. It's been a momentum name in retail. It's consolidating nicely right here. I'm just putting like one eye on it. I'm not that involved there right now, but if it starts to get above this upper pivot, like if you see here, I'll give you a close look because I like this pattern and I wanted to see you guys look at it just in case it repeats itself at certain points. And there it is, nice little triangle here. So if this starts to get back above the, I would say 62, 63 area, this could be a new highs. This looks good above all moving averages. This is showing you leadership qualities still.
All right, let's move on to CAT. CAT, it should be a recession recovery play, right? But it doesn't seem to be happening.
Well, it looks, CAT is near the highs. CAT looks good. CAT had a big move off the lows. It shouldn't really have gotten as punished as it did. I like the pattern here in CAT. I think for an investment and cash flow, it looks good. If Caterpillar starts to get above that, what is it, around 110 area, this could go again. Nice little triangle, big move off the lows, consolidating decently above the moving averages. It starts to go above 110, 110.50. It could make another move. I like this for a trade if it clears this and also as an investment.
All right, McDonald's has clearly been a recession play off of that value menu. They just keep turning in sales every single quarter. So where are we going to stand on McDonald's?
I don't know who eats McDonald's. When was the last time you ate McDonald's?
It's been a while.
It's been maybe on a road trip over 4 hours.
I like
that's my rule.
McDonald's here on Wall Street, but my McDonald's aren't so good.
It's been really good. We covered this a few times in the morning call. This was the last pattern that I loved at McDonald's. Sorry to put you on the spot about it, just in case you did eat McDonald's. It's okay. I kind of go to Pizza Hut every now and then. I probably shouldn't. But anyway, above this area of what is this, around 86.50, 87, it could go again. Nice consolidation after this last move that we saw here. It's above the moving averages. It's still in the game and looks decent.